The cool weather is coming, and that's why in many parts of the country, fall is when we begin thinking about refreshing our indoor spaces. Joining us today with some timely ideas for a fall makeover for your home is Kim Myles, a daytime Emmy designer, a past winner of HGTV's Design Star, and creative guru. Kim, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Stacey. Happy fall.
Yes, happy fall. So your passion is creating easy elegance. I'd love to hear more.
Okay, so it's just what it sounds like. It's easy, 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 easy. I really believe that style doesn't have to break your brain. It doesn't have to break your bank. It should be simple. So you make a couple of great choices and you let them do the heavy lifting for you so that you're in and you're out and you're moving on with your life. This is what I like.
Okay, I like that not breaking your brain because, like, as my readers know, I'm moving and just trying to figure out paint colors and floor colors and carpet. It's brain draining.
It is. I'm going to hook you up today. This is very well timed because I'm like, if you're moving, I've got stuff for you, girl. I'm ready.
I need it, and that's why I really wanted to talk to you. So what are some themes that you're seeing? I am trying to put this together. So what are some new themes you're seeing in the home design world?
Okay, so huge trend is flooring. So I want you to think about that as you're moving. So flooring makes sense as a trend, right? Because it's a lot of visual expanse, it's a lot of space, and if you upgrade it, you elevate everything else that's around it. So you need to know about Tarkett. I have two products that you need to know about. Tarkett's first product, ProGen flooring. It's amazing. This is next generation flooring. It's waterproof. It's not going to warp. It's not going to buckle. You can put it in rooms that get a lot of harsh sunlight or have extreme temperature changes. It's not going to budge. And it looks like real wood. That's what's important to me as the designer. I want it to be quality, but I want it to look gorgeous. So looks just like the real thing. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And then the other Tarkett product is True Tex Luxury Sheet Flooring. Now this stuff is off the chain. It's one of my favorites. And part of why is because it's unique. It has a textile backing that's actually dissipating moisture. So it resists mold, it resists mildew. It's actually certified asthma and allergy friendly. I'm asthmatic, hello, so I love that. So it's beautiful and healthy for those you love the most. And it comes in 20 different styles. So I promise you there's something out there for you. They're gonna have something that you fall in love with.
Well, you know, and also I have big dogs. So when I've been looking at flooring, one of my big concerns is the dogs and their paws and their scratching.
Well, that's one of the things that's great about the True Tex Luxury Sheet Flooring is that it resists rips and tears. You think about those little doggy toenails, this can withstand it. So this might be a great choice for you.
Something I need to check out.
Yes.
So what is something we can do to add comfort and style to our home?
Well, I am saying this fall, why not breathe new life into your home by installing a Hunter fan in an unexpected place? Now, here's the thing about the Hunter Fan Company. It's a legacy company. We all know them. Beautiful fans. I call them jewelry in the space. They're absolutely gorgeous. Every style for every budget. But think about the unexpected placement. So why not put a fan in the laundry room? Why not put one in the mud room? You know, the holidays are coming. My family, if it's anything like yours, they don't care that my living room is gorgeous. They want to be in the kitchen. So putting a fan in the kitchen, it keeps that air moving. It keeps everybody comfortable. And it's an inexpensive upgrade. It's one of those things that really elevates the space and keeps you on budget.
I do love my Hunter fans I have, but I will tell you they have totally changed my space by simply putting in a fan.
Absolutely.
They're gorgeous.
Yeah, they are stunning. Absolutely.
What is something we can do to incorporate new tech into our homes?
Okay, well, smart homes, right? Our homes are just talking behind our backs all day long now. So if you're going to integrate smart tech into your home, you need to know about Glass by Johnson Controls. Now, this is a new smart thermostat that's beautiful in form and function. So form, oh my goodness, glass, it's in the name. I can pop this in for a client. It's not going to obscure my wallpaper choice. My paint color is going to shine through. As opposed to a big beige plastic box, it is modern, it is sleek, it is stylish. So I love that. But on top of it, huge differentiator is that not only is it controlling your heating and your cooling, it has built-in monitors for air quality. So if you are an allergy sufferer, if you're an asthmatic, it's smart and it's tweaking and adjusting for the air quality in your home while seamlessly integrating with all of your other devices that you have set up. So for me, hello, this is fantastic. I'm like, it's doing the heavy lifting, it's working harder than it even needs to, and it's getting it done for me and protecting my space and keeping me healthy while looking beautiful doing it.
I would say I like that idea of all that it does, but also looks beautiful because I did just paint walls and I don't want to put those ugly beige boxes back on the wall.
You are not going to. You're going to buy the glass thermostat. That's what you're going to do.
Okay. You've got so many great things here for me and my readers to check out. So, Kim, where can we go to get some more information?
So everything I laid out for you as you hustle with your move, just go to tipsontv.com. All of the information is there for you.
So much great information and tips for TV. Well, Kim, thank you so much. It is a busy day here, and this is a great timing because I do have so much I need to do to the new place to get it up. It was not a move-in ready, not at all a move-in ready place. So while we're moving out of one, we're fixing up the other.
Stacey, I am sending you all the good moving vibes and wishing you the happiest, easy move and a beautiful fall.
Thank you, Kim. You too have a wonderful fall. It's great talking to you.